of the Enchanted Tree, a short moral story. In a village stood an ancient tree, rumored to grant wishes. One day, a curious traveler approached, asking for wealth. The tree whispered, "Greed blinds the heart." Undeterred, the traveler wished for endless riches. In an instant, gold poured from the tree, but it turned into dust, slipping through his fingers. Disappointed, the traveler returned, asking for wisdom instead. The tree granted him insight, teaching him the true value of kindness and humility. With newfound knowledge, the traveler shared his wealth, and his heart found peace. Moral: true wealth is not in riches, but in the wisdom of a generous heart. Thank you for watching.